Here's a short video on how we make our traditional coir doormats step by step. Our traditional mats really are a beautiful addition to any home, and we still make them in the way we always have, using techniques handed down through generations. Coir matting is a totally natural material. It's made from coconut fibre, and ours generally comes from India or Sri Lanka. The fibrous inner husk of the coconut is used to make the coir matting, and it means that none of the coconut is wasted. Our traditional hand-stitch mats are made from coconut fibre that's been woven on a traditional loom into rolls of coconut matting that we can then adjust to the right size. We make mats to order in exactly the size that you need by using techniques handed down to us over generations. Using the measurements you send us, our first step is to cut a piece of matting from the roll, just oversized enough that when we've finished weaving and tying in the edges, it will be the perfect size and match exactly what you've ordered. We then fray away just enough of the pile to give us some free ends to work with that can be tied in and bound to strengthen the edge of the matting. Then, using a very strong needle and coconut fibre twine, we hand stitch all the way around the edge of the mat, using a special technique to make sure that the edge stays firm and strong for the lifetime of the mat. The final stage is to trim the finished mat so that all extra long tufts are taken away and the mat has a beautiful uniform appearance, leaving it looking extremely smart on your doorstep. The techniques and tools that we use to produce these mats go back for many, many years. They may look old-fashioned, but they're just what we need to get the job done perfectly. Our beautiful hand-stitched mats are particularly at home in period properties, and we often supply them to National Trust. If you'd like to consider getting one for your home, contact us at makeanentrance.com. We'd love to help.